everyone, and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Gentleman's Box. This box seems really cool to me, and it's just supposed to be a plethora of things that guys would like. This box is a monthly box and it costs $30 a month. It comes with a little book to kind of give you a little bit more information on the items that you've received. And it does tell us the prices. So the first item in our box is a tie, and it is this really cool blue color with pink flowers on it, and I just think that is so cute. And this has a retail value of $35. This is probably my favorite item in the whole box just because of the color. I really, really like this. The next item we have is a pair of socks, and these have a retail value of $15. I don't love the color of these as much, but I mean, red and blue, I think all guys would kind of be okay with this. The next two items are a little bit weird. I don't love them, to be totally honest. It is a pen and a pen case. And what's weird about it is the pen comes inside of a pen case and they give you a nicer pen case for it. And so here's the pen. It's not the worst looking pen I've ever seen, but it doesn't seem very heavy. I don't know. It's a pen. It's nothing to write home about, but it's not the end of the world. What really gets me though is this little case. Because it is so small, it is almost impossible to get the pen in there. And then also to shut it, like you gotta try and get that leather thing through there, which seems really impossible with a pen in it. And then even if you did get it shut, going to get it back out, like sure, maybe a guy could pull that out, but with my nails, like, that is a difficult task, a very, very difficult task. So I'm not in love with this item, but I like the tie and the socks so much, it does make the box kind of worth it. And the pen supposedly has a retail value of $15 and the case a value of $20. I don't think the pen and the pen case are really that great, but I'm not a man, so maybe men would like it more. And the last item we received this month is a shoe brush, and this is just for cleaning leather shoes, so that's a pretty cool item. So overall, our box was worth $85, and the cost of the box is $30, so I do think it's a pretty good value. I think it's a fun box. It's definitely the first subscription box I've seen for men that is really genuinely manly. I've seen lots of like jerky subscriptions and stuff like that, but nothing that really hit the mark quite like this one. I would purchase this again. It definitely is a fun box to get every now and again. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. You can also find me on social media. I will put links down in the description below. Hopefully I'll see you again. Bye.